Hello friends, this is a continuation of the chapter Practical Geometry. Now we are asked to draw a square of side 4.5 centimeter. So these are all special cases. We are not given any other dimensions of the square. Okay. So we know some properties of the square. What is it? All the sides of the square are equal and the square makes 90 degrees. That is, if I draw a square like this, all the sides are 4.5 centimeter and these angles are perpendicular to each other or they are at 90 degrees. Okay. So first what we will do is, now this is a square ABCD. Okay. So first we will draw a line which is 4.5 centimeter using the scale. I am drawing a line AB. Now I will draw perpendicular bisectors, or you can say what I'll do is I will open the compass a little. I'll draw an arc like this. I'll keep my compass here. I'll draw an arc here. I'll keep my compass here. I'll draw another arc here. Okay. Now I'll keep my compass over here with the same length. I will draw an arc over here. I'll keep my compass here and draw another arc here. I will join this line. Okay. Similarly at B also, I will keep my compass at B. I will open the compass a little and I will draw an arc. Okay. Then I'll keep my compass at this point. I'll draw one arc here. I'll keep it at here and I'll draw another arc here. And now I'll place my compass at this tip and I will mark an arc over here. I'll place my compass at here and draw another arc here and then I will join this, right? So these two are the perpendicular bisectors. Now we know that the lengths of all the square is 4.5 centimeter. So what we'll do is we will keep the compass over here. I will measure 4.5 centimeter on the scale and draw an arc over here. Similarly, I will keep it over here and draw over here, because we know they are the perpendicular bisectors, but we don't know where C and D comes. So I have measured it as 4.5 centimeters and I have drawn an arc. So when I join these two places, this is C and D. So this is how we draw a square. Since I have not used a scale, I haven't got a perfect shape, but when you use a scale and you do it, you will get a correct perfect shape. Okay. Now we'll go to the next one. You have to draw a rhombus ABCD where AC is equals to 6 centimeter and BD is equals to 7 centimeter. Now let us draw a rhombus, and this is my rhombus and this length is 6 centimeter and BD is 7 centimeter. So first let us draw a straight line which is BD, which is of 7 centimeter. We are given only the diagonals and we are asked to draw the rhombus. Okay. Now we know one property of a rhombus. What is it? The diagonals bisect each other and they are also perpendicular to each other. Okay. So with B as the center, let me take any distance on the compass and I draw an arc over here. Similarly, I'll place my compass over here with the same length. Don't change the length of the compass. With the same length, I will draw an arc over here. Now, I will keep my compass at B and down I will draw an arc with the same length. Similarly, I'll keep my compass over here and I'll draw an arc over here. Okay, now it cuts at these 2 points. But I do not know the exact length where I have to keep my other points, that is A and C. So for that what I'll do, I have been given that AC is equals to 6 centimeter. Now what is half of AC? Half of AC is equals to 3 centimeter. Since it is a bisector, what is it? It is a perpendicular bisector. This will be the midpoint. Okay. So of this perpendicular bisector, this is the midpoint. So I'll keep my compass here. I will measure 3 centimeter. Why should I take 3 centimeter? because the given diagonal is 6 centimeter, and since it bisects it, it is 6 by 2 is 3 centimeter. So I'll keep here at this midpoint. I'll draw an arc of 3 centimeter. Similarly, I'll draw an arc here of 3 centimeter. Now when I join all the 4 points, I get the rhombus which I need. I hope you understood it. So this is how I draw a rhombus ABCD given two diagonals. Since the diagonals bisect each other and they are perpendicular, we are making use of these properties, we have drawn the rhombus. I hope you all understood it. Thank you, friends.